I welcome you all to this brainstorming session on values and principles. So far, we have completed 6 values, and now we are focusing on 3 principles. The first principle for this August month is identifying what is needed. So you can see in the sheet there are 2 columns. This is identifying what is needed. In this 2 columns, the first column we can see the current customer requirements that are being met. So the second column says that the customer requirement that needs to be met in future. So these 2 columns we are going to fill in now. The first point.
Okay, so we'll go with what all the customer expectation first.
Yes. On-time delivery.
On-time delivery. Good. So what we have met.
On-time delivery, as of now, we are at 90%.
We are in 90%.
90% on-time delivery. So few projects are still.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we can improve in that
Maybe
to achieve 100%?
Yeah, to achieve 100% on-time delivery.
So what we can improve in that?
I think we have to focus more on the quick turnaround projects.
Okay. And then the second point, next one?
Quality.
Quality. So in quality, what we have met now?
We are doing 100%.
100%.
Yeah.
Testers.
We have a double check, and because of that, we meet 100% quality. So, what is the next? Anything else?
The less queries being raised to the customers.
Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. What we have met in this queries based to the customer?
I don't think whether it is measurable, but we can improve on this actually.
In what way?
For example, we have customer segmentation survey which is rolled out every year.
Mm-hmm.
And last time we have improved from 47% to 57%, and this year we have to improve that to 65%.
So now we are in 57%.
Yeah.
Mm. So we can improve by conducting customer segmentation programs.
We have to work on to improve that.
So 57 to 65.
57 to 65.
65 is a target for now.
65 is what we are planning to work on.
Okay. Next.
Author correspondence, we can
Author correspondence. Okay. Mm-hmm. What we have met in this?
we can't measure that actually,
Okay.
but we
How
can,
it was before and now?
No, this is one of the expectations which we are supposed to work on it.
Okay.
So as of now it has not been met, so we will have to work on that.
So
The customer
in what
expects
way?
us to see all the other correspondence so that they can take an action on it.
Mhm. So in what way we can improve? We can improve in keeping some double check on that, or
No, every project has its own mailbox, and that mailbox is grouped in our mailbox. So all the correspondence we are doing in the project, we can move those correspondence to the project
Mailbox.
by creating a folder in the sent items, and inform that to the customer so that they can view the correspondence that we are doing with all.
okay. So it can be.
No, this was a requirement given by the team itself, so probably we should have to move all those correspondence to that folder, and we should keep them updated that we are doing this. Because that is where we are lagging actually.
Okay. So updated on.
Author correspondence,
Author.
by moving the.
Okay. So next is Any other customer expectations?
What are the other expectations?
Chase,
Nothing is here. Real-time status.
Real-time project status today.
Real-time project status.
okay.
So,
That we have already met, I guess, because we now post everything in SharePoint, so
it was 100%.
it's already 100%. It's already 100%.
Okay. It can be improved in some other way, or we can do it in some other different things. Is there any
No,
idea about
we are working on creating a database. Once that is in place, then everybody will have an update in a different way. So that is the future of it. As of now, it's met 100% in its own way.
Database.
So maybe we will have to focus only on those 2 points in working on quick turnaround projects, so that we can
Less queries.
improve the
Less
work
queries.
and raising less queries by,
Mhm.
I mean, instead of getting in touch with the customers first, we can use
Seniors.
seniors over here, reliable resources,
Okay.
so that we can minimize the number of queries that we raise.
Okay. These are the 5 points.
Yeah. Out of which 3 we already
Met, and then 2 we have to